Hey everybody, Stuart from WizWrite here. Today I'm excited to announce two awesome new features for WizWrite. The first of which is Magic Instruct. This is where you can talk naturally to WizWrite and it will understand what you're trying to say, and it will also understand the instruction, and then it will automatically create an AI piece of content based on that without having to click any other buttons. The second thing I want to talk about is personas. Personas are really awesome if you want to inject certain information into any of your AI actions or into the Magic Instruct itself. So this is really exciting. It's going to take WizWrite to a whole new level of personalization and efficiency for trying to get work done quickly. So let's get into it. Here we are in WizWrite, and you may notice some changes. First of all, we have this persona section in the middle of the screen, and we've moved the record console towards the bottom. In the record console, you'll see this Magic Instruct. You will be able to toggle this on or off. Whether it is on, it will then look through your transcript after you've spoken, and it will try to separate the instruction from the message and perform that instruction on the message. When you combine the Magic Instruct with the persona, some really interesting things can happen. So for a brief example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voice pretending to be from a ferry ticket company, and then I am going to see what the output is without adding any persona. So let's do that. Let's toggle Magic Instruct to on, and let's record a message. I'm sorry to say that the ferry to PP Island is now fully booked for tomorrow at 9 AM. There is a ferry at 3 PM, so would you like to take that ferry instead? Please can you convert this into a nice message that I can send to the user who bought a ferry ticket from me today. So you'll see that I did two things there. I answered what I wanted to say, and then I also gave it an instruction. I could give the instruction at the start, at the end, or wherever. And you'll see that we have the transcript as normal, and we've already stripped this transcript of the instruction, so we can use it for further AI actions if we want to. And we've also got this Magic Instruct, which is, dear valued customer, thank you for purchasing a ferry ticket with us, blah, 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 blah. 9 AM not available, 3 PM is available. Do you want to take it? And we have, best regards, your name, your company. Now, this is okay, but it could be better. And this is where personas comes into the question. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this all again, but we're going to create a persona for a customer service agent for this ferry ticket company, and we can see the difference in the result. So let's get into that in just a moment. Creating a persona is very simple. All I need to do is click here, and you'll see that I have my saved personas. If we don't want to use one, we can just use a default, which is like not having a persona active. Otherwise, we can create a new one. If we hit create a new one, we'll be able to put in the name of the persona, the job title, the company, and then any additional information. You could say, I'm a Brit living abroad and I like to put comedy or speak plain English or whatever. So what I've done is I've created this one for Lizzie McDonald. Lizzie McDonald is a customer service agent for a company called Siam Ferry. She's friendly and helpful and always sympathetic to users. So we have this persona already created for my account. What I can do is I can click that, and you'll see that the persona has been changed. We have the success message at the top. So now we can go in and we can create our message again and toggle the Magic Instruct in, so we don't actually need to even use an AI action on top of this. It's automatically going to know to create the AI content based on our input. Hey there, I'm sorry to say that the 9 AM ferry that you've booked to PP Island tomorrow is now fully booked. What I can do is I can put you on the 3 PM. Please confirm with me if that is okay or not. I'd love to help you with this, Jessica. Can you please write this up into a nice email that I can send to the customer? Thank you. So you'll see by doing this again, what I've done is we have given all of the information that we need for the Magic Instruct to work. And before we had dear valued customer and from your name, your company. Whereas now you can see with the power of Magic Instruct and a persona working together, we've got a subject, we've got dear Jessica, I hope this message finds you well, blah, 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 information about the ferry. We have the name of the customer, we have the name of the agent, and we have everything else, which I could just copy or paste. I could webhook this where I wanted it to. If I'm using the instant triggers, it would automatically go there. It's really powerful to use workflows like this. And just a second note on this, I can also toggle my personas from this individual session page. So if I want to change a persona here, I can do so. But if I want to keep it the same, then I can also do so. So we can manage personas from individual session pages and also the home page. And just to show you, this was the one before. Dear valued customer, best regards, your name, your company. Very impersonal. I would have had to do a lot of editing to get this as I wanted it. Whereas the one that we have with a persona active, we have the name of the customer, we have the details of the person, and everything is super awesome. So we can also use personas on an AI action. So say I wanted to do a press release from this. I have the persona active as Lizzie. So I'm going to get a press release and it's going to know that I am Lizzie. So we've got Lizzie McDonald's, customer service representation, blah, 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 blah. And we get information about the company and all of this. So what I can also do, just to show you the power of changing a persona, I have one set up as me, as a CEO, Riku AI LLC, writing common sense and try to be funny and a little bit of humor. And what I can do is I can click this one. And now that I've changed the persona, if we do the press release again, we will see how that impacts the output that it creates. So, Ricky AI LLC announced a schedule change for ferry services. Stuart Lansdale, CEO, Ricky AI LLC, blah, 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 blah. So, this is really incredible. It's the power of mixing and matching the Magic Instruct capabilities and also the persona capabilities to create something really incredible and really awesome for your content. That's all for today. So we've gone over the Magic Instruct feature, which is a really awesome feature to turn your transcript into awesome AI content without having to click any other buttons. We've also gone over personas. If you are like me and you have a lot of different hats, do a lot of different things, then mixing and matching, swapping out personas is really incredible. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave a like or subscribe for more awesome content about how you can use AI with your voice. If you want to use WizWrite, you can sign up at WizWrite.io. We'd love to have you on board. We have plans for individuals and also for teams. So you can use this efficiency across your whole organization. Thank you.